There it is. See that light right there? And this one. We're taking them out. I'm going to show you how big Open Sesame. I am preloaded with a T15. Now, you would think, as big as this light is, it would be more than just two 15s. Two T15s, actually. That's all it is. One there, and one there. Just like over here. One here, and one here. Now, I'm going to show you on this one, because this one was kind of tight. I'm going to show you. Don't lose them. Yeah, look, a little tray for us. Look, a little tray for us. Now, because it's brand spanky new, it's going to give you a fight. But once you pop it out one time, it should pop out every other time easier. See? That's the other one's giving you a tough time. You got one prong right there, another one right here. That pops in there, little guides right here, little posts right at the end of this thing right there. So it is tight. You have a little, let's get the part number right there. Now how do we take it out? Let me show you. The safety clip, so the 3-year-olds get to it. You have to squeeze and pull it out. Got it? You have to squeeze that little tan part. Lock it back into place. There you go. And here's the part number of the driver's side. So there you have it. Line them up, push them back, and say like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.